How to order from Shein without a credit card. So I'm on the Shein homepage right now. Let's look for something to buy. I'll go to the men's section, for example. And maybe I want to buy these clothes right here. Let's pick a size and then let's add it to a cart. Let's view our cart. And then let's check out. Here, you just fill out the details of your shipping address. And there is a credit or debit card option. But as you can see, there's a lot more option we can pick to not pay with a credit card. For example, we can pay with PayPal. This doesn't need a credit card. You can also pay with Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, Cash App, Google Pay, or Venmo. I can't demonstrate this, obviously. But you now know that without needing a credit card or a debit card, you can still pay and buy something from Shein. You can pay with PayPal. We can pay with PayPal, but you'll first need to connect your account to Shein. You can also pay with Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, Cash App. I think is one of the easiest. Google Pay is also easy. Venmo should be easy as well. Now you know that you can pay in Shein without a credit or debit card, and it's as easy as that.